you're having that right there.
Uh-huh.
I had with mine.
But, I don't
Yeah.
know.
I can see it. It's bigger than that.
Is this normal? Is it supposed to sound like this?
You've gotten way too used to an old bed at your house. Is what you gotten.
I don't know. This is something that came up today. Something new.
All right, Robert, if this won't do it, get a bigger hammer. And believe me, if this sucker won't do it, this one will.
So what we're trying to do is that after I changed my fuel, I got some weird rattling sound. Instead of that engine knocking, I got some weird rattling sound. And we are quite sure that that's because of this heat guard is touching the exhaust. And that's what Ed is trying to fix here. Big hammer and big screwdriver.
That's all you need is a bigger hammer.
You think that hammer is big enough for this job?
I got a bigger one.
We try first.
Okay. You go ahead and get this started. Okay.
Still got some buzzing going on here. So I think it's we need a bigger hammer, or at least a smaller hammer one more time.
We got a bigger hammer. You want my finger in front of the lens like this?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect.
You remember this squeaky sound that I had on my
I mean the bed springs?
the bed springs?
Yeah,
It's gone.
it's gone. Why?
And
Why is it gone?
because my exhaust was pressed against the rear sprocket. No,
Spring.
spring.
Spring on the shock.
See? And also,
Look at, okay, we got to move that away a little. Hey, that's no problem because, see, that's the one that had the really bad bent
yeah, from stock. From
stock. You know how we can do that? We can loosen up the front one, bend this back a little bit, then tighten up the front one. I think you'll not have any more problems.
Yeah, but also this buzzing sound which I had
Yeah.
after I changed the fuel.
Uh-huh.
The buzzing sound was because the exhaust was vibrating against the spring.
Against that spring. And so basically we bent all this shit out for nothing.
Yes, we did all the hammering and getting a bigger hammer.
Wait a minute.
for nothing.
I did the hammering, okay? He just said get a bigger hammer. That's all.
I was supervising. So
Don't go to the Suez Canal with him.
and cut.
Clearance wise there.
Looking nice. So what we're doing here now is with that we put a washer in between here, in between the fasteners for the exhaust, to make some space in between the exhaust and the spring. And when I say we, I mean Eddie. Eddie's doing that because I'm exhausted. I'm drinking beer.
My beer. He's drinking my beer. I paid for it. We sat back and worked for what, 5 minutes on your bike,
Yeah, maybe
trying to straighten things out.
You see?
You got no squishy sound.
No.
Doesn't sound like a
Grandma's bed anymore.
grandma's bed anymor.
And all this.
Grandma's
I
bed.
don't know. I can't stop doing this.
Yeah. Don't get excited.
And
Let's hear this. Yeah. What did we do here?
The ticking sound.
Yeah.
We found out that the exhaust were rubbing against the...
Okay, originally when you got your exhaust, this piece right here was bent way over here like this.
in
Okay.
transport.
And you straightened it out some and then went ahead and mounted it. And eventually what it did, folks, was this distance between the spring and the exhaust right here ended up closing up to where it touched. So every time he bounced on the suspension, it sounded like grandma's old bed.
And it was a coincidence that this happened at the same time when I changed the fuel to get rid of the engine knocking.
Yeah.
So I also got this vibration from down here, which actually wasn't any problem.
Which actually also started us thinking these heat shields were causing all that problem. And the thing is, the whole deal was this piece right here was bent over enough that it moved the pipe into the spring on the shock. So what we did, okay, it wasn't that big of a deal. It's 3 bolts total. We take this bolt off, the 2 bolts down here on the head, we take them off, pull the pipe out, bend this back up to straight, which is where it should have been to begin with when he got it, but it wasn't, and then put it back together, and now no noise.
Now there's no noise, but I will do a hardcore test going uphill tomorrow. But I think we solved the knocking problems just by lowering the octane,
On the gas.
the power in the gas.
So anyhow, hey, talk to y'all later. Watch it go.
See, look at this, look at this. Look what Eddie made with his big hammer, fixing things. I'm a jack of all trades, you say. See? All these scratches, he made all this. And over here, and I don't know, I don't dare to go down here under and see what he did under there. Maybe it's just cut the nuts or I don't know what he did. I don't know. Everything. This bike was in mint condition. It was like showroom condition before I went up to Eddie. And he come there with his big hammer. I'm skeptic.
I'm not real sure, people, but I think Robert may be a little pissed off at me for scratching up his heat shield on his bike. But anyhow, I gotta get over here. He's coming over. We'll see what we can do about fixing this problem. Okay, so hey, stay tuned. We're gonna take care of it. Don't worry. He's not gonna hit me or anything, is he? I hope not. Anyhow, hang on.
Yeah, I'm going back. He needs to know that he messed up. See, where is that retarded old kid? Better have some spray paint laying around besides his fucking hammer.
Hey, Robert.
What?
What's up?
Everything is messed up.
Messed up.
You have to redo this fucking thing.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. Yeah, I guess I did kind of scratch it up a bit, didn't I?
Scratched it up. It's all messed up. But better buy a new one. Paint it. Bet you paint it.
Huh?
Yes, you need to paint that.
Yeah.
You see, who's holding the hammer now? Who is holding the hammer now?
Oh, wait. I got you a beer. Calm down. See? Look at that. It's nice and cold. Here, Robert.
Uh-huh.
Okay, calm down.
Don't mess up again. Don't mess up.
I will paint it. Okay?
Black.
Black? Let me
Flat black. Flat black.
I'll do it. problem, no problem. Okay, I got it. I'll paint it black. Robert,
Yeah, you better work that spray paint.
what are you gonna do with that hammer, bud?
I'm just holding it.
Just holding it?
Just holding it.
Okay.
I'm
Hey,
just holding it.
man, no problem.
I'm not going to use it.
No problem.
I'm not going to use it.
No.
I'm just holding it.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna spray this thing real quick, okay? Because he's holding a hammer.
Not quick.
No, you want it done right?
Do it right. Not
Okay,
quick.
okay.
And I'm just holding it.
Yeah, I'll do it nice and easy, okay? Yeah. I think he's mad. Could be.
I don't like sloppy jobs.
Hey, did I tell you I used to be a painter in a body shop?
You missed the spot. You missed it.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, it was a small body shop. It was my garage.
Body shop?
It was my
Like a
garage.
brothel?
Well,
That
you know.
kind of body shop?
You know, it's Okies.
This is not a joke.
How's that look?
Average.
I never said that was good.
So, how did it end up?
How's it look? Huh? Pretty good?
Look good? No. You missed a spot over there.
Where?